Okay, so the last four chapters, not including this one, this is chapter four, is going to be focused on brain waves and certain specific meditations per brain wave so that we can see that transformation. But here, this chapter, chapter four, is called Training the Mind. So she just lays out a couple things that she would deem incredibly important before getting into meditation. So the first is the four mental tools that she will use in each one of the brainwave sections that we will not talk about in the videos, but it's just something to have in mind. She talks about intention, attention, receptivity, and then awareness. These are four things, even just as you hear them: intention, attention, receptivity, awareness. Those are four things that are just going to give us consciousness. They're going to give us consciousness and intentionality to be able to drive that transformation. Really, the idea is that we go from subconscious thinking constantly to more conscious thinking so that we can influence our subconscious thinking to be automatic in nature, but it will be positive as well. So that's the idea. And then she also talks, which I actually thought was very interesting, she talks about the Enneagram, which is that personality tool assessment. And she just talks about, first off, she goes off on the whole history of it and kind of blew my mind, but not important to this video. There's a lot of history there that people are have used it for thousands and thousands and thousands of years to help lead that transformation. There have been all different types of religions have used it, and actually there's quite a bit of Christians using it now. I used it down when I was in Georgia. I know, Jacob, you engaged in the Enneagram as well. It's my personal favorite. I've taken a lot of different personality tests, and Enneagram is by far my favorite. So she says just knowing your personality is going to help you to detect your personal automatic behaviors. And so if you can detect that in a level of consciousness, then of course we can leverage that to drive more transformation. So that's chapter 4.